Thank you so much for your question. The life expectancy of a lion in the wild, they reckon is about 12 to 14 years, but we've seen lions going over 14 years. So I'd say lions can go up to about 22, and the lionesses especially. But males sometimes, because of how they fight, how they're ousted out in collision. So I would say male lions can go up to about 16, depending on the collision. But lionesses live longer than male out here in the wild. The stronger the number, the stronger the collision, the longer they get to live. We have a collision of lions called the musketeers, where Scarface is almost 13